Hi guys, my name is Shami. Today I'm going to explain more about what's advantage that you can use for your daily tasks or personal chat to other person. As you can see here, this is example of website that use WhatsApp link. Their website admin has put a button, WhatsApp button here. As you can see, when I put mouse over to the button, it's appeared https://wa.me/number phone that was the admin put at the below sidebar at left sidebar. And when I click this button, it goes to the WhatsApp web, and I click continue to chat. When I click continue to chat and use WhatsApp web, when you use a laptop or PC, you can click through WhatsApp web, and then it goes to the it should go to the personal chat. Yeah, it go to the number that WhatsApp admin put at first website page. Website page, and then did you know you can actually chatting with yourself using a link as your daily reminder, or you can forward it to other people first. You can save to the message conversation with yourself before sending to other people first lah. Okay, I use to link, and I use my number phone. I should go here and I click continue to chat. Same process with back then, yeah, but with your own phone number. As you can see here, it's appeared my own conversation with my own self. You can attach an image. For example, I put an image here, a name. You can put a tag to for your daily reminder, or this actually all of image and text. You can forward it to the family members and your friend. One round first before you send to other people. Actually, you can save here first, and then you can send to other people. If you feel not confident with your text or your chatting, you can save here first, and then you can save a copy for yourself in this conversation. So yeah, that's all for WhatsApp advantage that I can show you today. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Thank you.